I'm going to show you how to set up a calm snake enclosure. First, use a heat mat. Right. Secondly, you need a tank. Okay, let's put the tank down. There we've got a tank. I've got to fill that tank with some bedding. And got to be at least an inch thick. About an inch thick should do. Okay, remember. So it's about an inch thick. And let's start adding the decorations. First one is a big stone. Okay, a couple of snake likes this one. So, a couple of snakes in there at the moment. A bit here, see it? It's a calm, Carolina calm. That goes in there like so. Put that there so you can see me chew it off. Then I put the other one on top. And there's a hide for him. There's one hide. Okay, let's get his other hide sorted out. Piece of log. Bark there. Some bark. Another piece of bark on top, like so. Now I need this watering bowl. I will go and get. Watering bowl goes up there.